grupo ng Abwig RBT. Number 10, JB. Sending for Jack Policarpio. Jack Policarpio, floater. Not good for Papa Jack. Kuha ng Jack Policarpio, number 14. Perimeter jumper. Yes, sir! Isang napakagandang atake para kay Jack Policarpio, number 14. Sending for Gerson Blasi, number 22, the monster. Bibigay kay Abdul Danao while open for 3. Abdul Danao, 3 points! Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Good for 2 points by Frank De La Cruz. In his opening quarter, number 6, Sayon kick out. Dahlgren Geografia, number 7. Inside for Sayon. We have only 10 seconds on the shot clock. RJ finding the open man. Outside jumper. Boom! Bullseye! 3! Kuha nitong pulahan for Team of Japo Sublimation, number 10. JB, what the move! Bang! Good! And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, you're about to witness the basketball tournament of 11 Mayor's Cup Open and Divisional Basketball Tournament 2024 and matches to be played ng ating Japo Sublimation Coins Nonoy BCB laban sa team ng Abwig RBT Trading. And I'm your Tito Cloy, makakasama niyo for this basketball action ng ating semi-final game number 2. This game is sanctioned by FIBA rules and will be implemented by Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Palawan Chapter. Our head referee, our regional technical head of SBP Mimaropa, Sir Jack Altarilleos. Umpire number 1, Sir J.R. Gadilena. Umpire number 2 from Municipality of Burlan, Sir Ronnie Di Guzman. And our fourth man officiating officials, we have Sir R.B. Laguardia. And here the starters with your team of Japo Sublimation Coins Nonoy BCB Sportswear. Starting with wearing jersey number 10, JB Erpayuan. Wearing jersey number 45 from the city of Lalawigan ng Iloilo, Marcin Nasa. Wearing jersey number 73, the son of legend, EJ Rodriguez. And wearing jersey number 14, also from Puerto Princesa, Jack Policarpio. And number 13, ang gagambang gising ng Puerto Princesa, JB Descalzo. And here the starters with your team of Abwig RBT Trading. Starting with wearing jersey number 7, the pride of Quezon Palawan, Dahlgren Geografia. Number 11, ang unstoppable ng bayan ng Brooks Point, Isaiah De Los Reyes. Si number 33, ang Sakuragi ng Palawan, RJ Gabinete. Import from Quezon City, number 10, Ryan Reyes. And wearing jersey number 6, Christian Sayon Yu. Import for your team of Abwig RBT Trading. And now, ladies and gentlemen, all said. Ako makakasama niyo for this basketball action. I'm Tito Cloy. The ball is up. Time is on. Let's get it on. Let's play some basketball. Team of Abwig RBT Trading. This is a semi-final game. Do or die game. Kung sino po yung mananalo dito. Outside jumper. RJ Gabinete. 3 points. So at makakakuha ng ticket patungo sa kampyonato. At makakalaban yung team ng Abwig RBT Trading. Good for 2 points. JB Descalzo. 3-5 with 2-point lead. Dahlgren Geografia from downtown. Too strong. The unstoppable of Brooks Point, Isaiah De Los Reyes. We have only 8 minutes and 1 seconds remaining time. Jack Policarpio, number 14. Good for 2 points by Papa Jack Policarpio. Umatabla tayo sa 7-point. Number 6, Sayon Yu. Bagsak yung Sayon Yu. Number 33, RJ Gabinete. Kick out. Dahlgren Geografia. Hinihingi yung bola. Dahil kapang-kapa niya na. So for this opening quarter, outside jumper. Battle for rebound. Kuha ng JB Erpayuan. Ang angas ng Tondo, Manila. Boom! For this opening quarter, number 6, Sayon Yu. Kick out. Dahlgren Geografia. Number 7. Inside for Sayon Yu. We have only 10 seconds on the shot clock. RJ finding the open man. Outside jumper. Boom! Bullseye! 3! Sayon Yu, no good there. Hindi bumasket by Sayon Yu. JB sending for Marcin Nasa. Import combination ng team ng Japo. number 6 or number 9, number 33, RJ Gabinete, wide open for 3 points. Good for Sayonyu. Mark Sinesa sending for JB Payuan. Ang angas ng Tondo, papasewin yung angas ng Nara, JB Payuan. Not good for Jack. With 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time, Christian Angelo Abdul Danao, boom, bumusay, 3 points. Buwan itong JB Payuan. Jersey number 10, JB Didiskarte, 4 up against the situation. Good for 2 points. 19-26, 7-point lead. The unstoppable of Brooks Point. Yaya De Los Reyes. Number 22, Gerson Blasi the monster. Kick out the angel. Game changer, Di Pasupil, not good. John Paul Madeja. Stolen by RJ Gabinete. Sending for Abdul Danao. Aga nitong Jack Policarpio, 4 kontra sa isa. Jack Policarpio libre na. Good. 26-36, JB Payuan, 3 points. A jumper for 2 points, doesn't work, pero nandun na yung JB Payuan. Good for 2 points by JB Payuan. We have only 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Kick out for your team of Abwig RBT, Isaiah De Los Reyes. With RBT, number 33, Christian Angelo Abdul Danao, bounce pass. Number 22, Gerson Blasi, good for 2 points by Gerson Blasi. Nakitang bukas yung John Paul Madeja, in and out. Tapikan ng bola. Itong Jack Policarpio. Jack Policarpio, number 14. Good for 2 points, Jack Policarpio. With 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time, John Paul Peg. John Paul puts it up. Good for 2 points by John Paul Magda. Sa grupo ng Abwig RBT, number 10, JB. Sending for Jack Policarpio. Jack Policarpio floater. Not good for Papa Jack. Kuha ng Jack Policarpio, number 14. Perimeter jumper. Yes, sir. Jack Policarpio. Isang napakagandang atake para kay Jack Policarpio, number 14. Sending for Gerson Blasi, number 22, the monster. Bibigay kay Abdul Danao, while open for 3. Abdul Danao, 3 points. Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Good for 2 points by Frank De La Cruz. Not good for Sayonyu. JP Descalzo sending for JB Payuan. Ang angas ng Tondo. Put it up. Good for 2 points by JB. Bumubig RBT Trading. Bibigay kay Christian Angelo Abdul Danao, the son of Mayor, the MVP of South, John Paul Madeja. Perimeter jumper. Good for 2 points by John Paul Pepe Madeja. We have only 3 minutes ng ating ball game. Frank De La Cruz sending for JB. JB Payuan is top, pinapull up JB Payuan. Christian Sayonyu. JP Descalzo, ang gagambang gising ng Puerto. Bibigay kay JB Payuan, 2 minutes and 30. Outside jumper by JB. Boom! Bumusay! 3 points! Hello, Abdul Danao. Jack Policarpio, number 14. With 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. Papa Jack, kick out EJ, while open for 3. Pong! Tamang sa ating ball game, all 53 points. Christian Angelo Abdul Danao. For team of Abwig RBT, sending for Ryan Reyes. A jumper for 2 points. Good for 2 points, Ryan Reyes. Point with your team of Abwig RBT, JB. Not good for JB Payuan. Sondotan, tapikan ng bola. Nandoon na yung Danao. Number 2, Christian Angelo Abdul Danao. Good for 2 points, Abdul Danao. 2 points by Christian Sayonyu. 53-61. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz sending for JP Descalzo. Outside, 3 points. Mark Sinesa for this basketball action. Number 14, Jack Policarpio. Rarachada, Jack Policarpio. Mark Sinesa, putback. Tatak 45. Isaiah De Los Reyes. Not good for Isaiah De Los Reyes. Number 11, but JP. Outside, JP Descalzo. From the 3-point territory. We have only 7 minutes and 33 seconds remaining time. 63-68, only 5 point. Sayonyu, butas. Good for 2 points, Sayonyu. 5 puntos mga kaibigan ng abante ng Abwig RBT. Sayonyu, kakayod sa loob. Walang sinahod by Sayon. Nakakuha nitong JB Payuan, number 10. Ang angas ng Tondo. Pupukol ang tatlo. Nothing but net. Punit kung punit by JB. Remaining time. Christian Angelo Abdudanao sending for number 18, Miko Gonzalez. Babalik sa MVP ng sound, Miko Gonzalez, the pride of Batarrasa. Pilit na nangungulit sa kanyang mga defender. Number 10, JB. Kick out for JB. JB and JB combination. Jack Policarpio puts it up. No good. Papa Jack Policarpio. Kuha nitong pulahan for team of Japo Sublimation. Number 10, JB. What the move! Bang! Ayun, using the screen. JB wild side. Not good for JB. Talunan JB. Not good for JP Descalzo. Wala pa rin. JP. Bounce. Frank De La Cruz. Bang! Good for 2 points. 25 seconds remaining time. Tabla na tayo sa 74. Miko Gonzalez while open from downtown. Boom! Bullseye! 3 points! Ayun, ang angas ng tondo. Using the screen by Mark Sinesa. Pupukol ang tatlo by JB. But AJ Rodriguez, number 73, the son of legend. Number 73 sending for Frank De La Cruz. Off the glass by Frank De La Cruz. Good for 2 points. JB Erpayuan, number 10, sending for Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks. Point! Frank De La Cruz! 82-84. 2-point lead with your team of Japo Sublimation. Jerson Blasi, number 22. Libreng-libre sa ilalim para kay Jerson Blasi. Outside 3 points. Only last 7, 6, 5. Number 33, RJ Gabinete. Jerson Blase puts it up. Good for 2 points by Jerson Blase. Jack Policarpio, EJ! Not good for EJ. Talunan, battle for rebound. Kuha ng Jack Policarpio. Jack Policarpio while open for 3. Tatapon, Jack Policarpio. 3 points. Sabiling violation. Number 2, Christian Angelo Abdul. 3 points. And 20 seconds remaining time. Jack Policarpio sending for EJ. Frank De La Cruz, naiwang bukas from downtown. Frank De La Cruz! Yaya De Los Reyes, JB Erpayuan, ang angas ng tondo, sending for Frank. Number 73, EJ Rodriguez. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Christian Angelo Abdudanao, Zion Yu, bibigay sa kanto. RJ Gabinete, 3 points. Jerson Blase, cross-court pass. Christian Angelo Abdudanao while open for 3. In and out. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Frank De La Cruz sending for EJ. EJ 5 for 3. Bang! EJ Rodriguez. We have only 3 minutes and 46 seconds remaining time. 99-111. RJ Gabinete, number 33. And basketball count again, RJ Gabinete. 101-111, 10-point lead with your team of Japo Sublimation. Number 33, RJ Gabinete, 3 points. Malapit na po tayong matapos sa ating ball game. We have only 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10-second shot clock. EJ Bang! EJ Rodriguez. Lead for your team of Japo Sublimation. Coach Nonoy BCB. Number 33, RJ Gabinete. Harassing by Jack Policarpio. Agawan ng bola. Good for 2 points. Good for 2 points by Ryan Reyes. AJ Rodriguez harassing by John Paul. AJ Rodriguez, number 73, finding Jack. 1-on-1 sa ilalim. Mark Sinesa against Ryan Reyes. Bang! Mark Sinesa! We have only 1 minute and 20 seconds. Ryan Reyes sending for number 23, John Paul Madea from the top of the cable. Good for 3 points by John Paul. EJ Rodriguez while open for 3. Not good for EJ. Kuha nitong Jack Policarpio, number 14. Ibibigay sa batang Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Stolen. Christian Zion Yu. Not good for Zion. Not good for Christian Zion Yu. 112-118. Number 14, Jack Policarpio. Kuha nitong Frank De La Cruz. Last 35 seconds, sending for JB. JB Erpayuan. EJ Rodriguez sending for JB Erpayuan. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Seconds on the game clock. 8 seconds on the shot clock. What a game.
Bakit ngayon? Ayan.
We have only last 21. And call for a foul against number 19, John Paul Madea. 12 seconds. We have only time remaining, last 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3 seconds. Libre yung EJ. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that's the final buzzer, 112-118. Congratulations for your team of Japo Sublimation, Cois Nonoy, BCB! Congratulations! Sila po makakalaban ng team ng Axors Mati sa ating championship game.